My name is Emily. Welcome to Junk Journal Inspirations. If this is your first time joining me, a huge welcome to you and thank you so much to all of you for joining me today. So it is time for the week 17 prompts in the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. We're getting close to the end, guys. I'm so excited for this giveaway. I can't wait to see who wins. So week 17, and then make sure just the few little, housekeeping things. Make sure you're using the hashtag Simply Random Challenge when you're sharing on social media, and tag me if you can. And you can start at any point. So if you're brand new to this and you have no idea what I'm talking about, there is a playlist for the challenge. You can find that on my channel, or I have it linked at the end of every challenge video, and I also have it linked in the description box below. So you can go to the playlist, find the very first video that I did that was sort of an introduction, and then you can kind of get a better idea of what I'm talking about. As for the giveaway, that will happen after week 20, and you will need to have commented on all of my process videos. You don't have to comment on the prompt videos. You can. I love comments, but I will choose one of my process videos at random to then randomly choose the winner from. So your best bet of being entered is to comment on all of my process videos for the challenge. That way, you're entered, because I'll choose one of those videos to pick the winner from. US only this time, unless you are willing to pay the shipping cost. I apologize. I hate having to do that. Excuse me, but that's just where we are in the world right now, and everything is so much more expensive, and I just can't swing it this time. So I apologize, and I hope you'll forgive me. All right, so let's go ahead and choose our prompts. So we'll start with our theme. Oops. If I can grab one. All right, our theme is water. It's pretty open-ended. Technique. Our technique is going to be something decoupaged. Our color is clear. Okay, so you have to use something clear. And then our 3 items. We've got, something old this week. We just had something new last week. I was kind of hoping those would both come up in the same week. I'm sorry. Let me grab a drink of water. The pollen is so bad, and my allergies are just screaming. So I've got a tickle in my throat. Book pages. That should be fairly simple. And then we have tokens or coins. All right, cool. So this is for week 17. So get those projects made. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. This will be the last week that I will be doing a process video for the challenge before my surgery. And then my friend Jenny is taking over from this point on. I will still have the prompt videos. I'm doing them ahead of time and scheduling them out. So you'll still see me. And then I might even have some other videos that I've pre-recorded to kind of put out while I'm taking a bit of a break after my surgery. So I'm going to take about 6 weeks, because I'm having one surgery, and then 3 weeks later I'm having the next surgery. So I need some time, obviously, to recover. I won't be crafting during that time while I let my hands heal, but I will be doing things behind the scenes that I need to get caught up on. One of them being creating more digital ephemera kits for you. That's on my list, as well as putting together some junk journal kits to sell in my shop that will be, kind of a eclectic mix of vintage items, paper goods, and maybe some little golden book packs, things like that. So those are things that I'm going to be doing while I'm recuperating. But and I'll still be around on social media. I'll be on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere. So if you ever need to contact me, my shop will still be open, things like that. But I'm just kind of taking a break from crafting. I'm sad about it, but I'm also looking forward to it because it's forcing me to get some other things accomplished that have been on my list for a very long time. And I never want to take the time to do them because I would prefer to just craft all day. I think some of you can probably relate. So it's kind of a forced time off, and I'm going to try and use it wisely. So wish me luck. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week, and I will see you a bit later in a couple days with the process video for this week's prompts. And yeah, all right, have a fabulous day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.